Hello everyone, I've created this video to demonstrate how to use Excel to do a descriptive analysis for your third week assignment. And so to do this, you have to have the data analysis tool package installed. Now I've already installed it, but I'm still going to go through the process of showing you how to do it. So for the Mac version, you go to Tools, Excel Add-ins, and you check the analysis tool pack. I've already done it, so it's already checked, and then you go OK. Now, in order to do the assignment for this week, this first cell we're going to label data, and then we're going to label, or we're going to input the data. Okay, so now I have my data input, and it's a good idea to check it. So, just to make sure that you don't have any data entry errors or you haven't duplicated anything. Okay, so now I can go to this area and I can go to data, and then click on data analysis, and then you can see there's a lot of different statistical analysis. Highlight descriptive analysis, and then OK. Now it automatically picked my data range for me. Your directions tell you to put it in yourself, but you'll notice you don't have to. It's already done. And if it's not in there, I'm going to click back to the Excel sheet. I'm going to reduce this. What you can do is you can highlight it. You can just go like that. And you see it's going to have the same input range. So you don't really have to type it in. You can, it doesn't matter. And then I checked a new workbook sheet, and then you've got to check summary statistics. And so what this means is it's going to give you a new Excel spreadsheet with the summary data. So I click on OK, and you can see that I get the mean, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the variance. And those are really the ones that we're concerned about for this week. And if you want them to be bigger, then you can go up to Home and make the text bigger. Okay, so you can save that, and you can take a screenshot of it and highlight it and include it with your assignment.